Hello dear friends, in this video you will learn about banner grabbing. Banner grabbing is a technique used to collect software, service, and version information from network hosts, which can be used for both cybersecurity and malicious purposes. There are two main methods of performing banner grabbing: active banner grabbing and passive banner grabbing. In active banner grabbing, hackers send packets to a remote server and analyze the response data. The attack involves opening a TCP or similar connection between the origin and the remote server. An intrusion detection system can easily detect an active banner. Banner grabbing via telnet command can reveal the exact version of the service running on a server by opening a connection to a determined IP address and port. We are connecting port 22 and OpenSSH by default. In output, OpenSSH version that are running. We know about the version on OpenSSH 4.7. We can find easily in vulnerability databases what vulnerability exists on this OpenSSH version. This is our Metasploitable machine IP address. Here we running in map tool for banner grabbing. Here we can see that version of web server software that running on system is Apache. Passive banner grabbing does not require direct interaction with the target system, using intermediated means to acquire service information. It gathers information via third-party network tools and services such as search engines or sniffing traffic, while avoiding a direct connection. Most of the tools we cover in information gathering lecture. Make sure you watch that video. Certain network ports are prime targets in banner grabbing because of the popular services they operate and the sensitive information they can divulge. These include target web server ports such as HTTP port number is 80, FTP port number is 21, SMTP port number is 25, SSH port number is 22, HTTPS port number 443, and the last one, MySQL port number is 3306. Attackers often target these ports to gather specific data, such as server versions, service configurations, and SSL certificate details, which can reveal potential vulnerabilities. Understand which ports are most commonly targeted in these attacks is crucial for organizations to strengthen their security measures and protect sensitive information. We have various tools are available for gathering information from target systems. During banner grabbing, we use these 5 common tools, such as Telnet, wget, curl, and map, and Netcat. That's it for now. See you in the next video.